So who won the argument for toolbox versus kitchen cabinets? I'm Sean.
I'm Jill.
This is 151 Garage. So in this video, we'll go through the garage. You usually see like bits and pieces of it. You don't see the whole thing. But first, I'll explain why I built this garage for Jill and I. Now, she was fighting cancer during the time, and I wanted to make something nice for us to work in. She wanted to work in cars. She wanted to do videos and stuff like that. You know, work with me, which 100% I absolutely, it was time to do that. Let's make it comfortable. Let's make it nice. Now, when I started working in this garage, there's a light only in the very back, and it was probably
like a 3 foot, maybe
3
4
foot
fluorescent.
Fluorescent tube. And it was
just
very
like a
dull.
Standard garage light was like 2 bulbs, and one of the bulbs was flickering, hardly ever worked.
And if you went in the very front, it was dark. You couldn't see anything. So by the time the light got to there, it was already pitch black again. So working on the cars was absolutely not gonna happen. And during the summertime, it was hot. The walls were insulated, the door wasn't insulated, and the sun comes through and it's pointing through that in the afternoon. It just heats up this garage. It's cooler to go outside than it would be in the garage.
Yeah.
Now, we have changed that. First, we tore out all the walls and the ceiling, re-insulated everything, re-insulated the door, and also put an AC in it, which I'll show you in just a second. I did do something which you guys will see in the thumbnail. More of a fun thing I wanted to do for Jill. And I'll explain that in just a second as well. So let me take you off the camera or the tripod and let's kind of look around. Please excuse all the boxes right now.
Yeah, we're in the middle of a project.
A couple.
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, why so many boxes? So this right here is all the standard tools. This is all the tools for my rat rod. It has the pliers and stuff like that in here as well. This right here is pretty much all your metric, your DeWalt drills, impact wrenches and stuff like that, as well as camera equipment and a sticker maker. Everything else is just filled in with specialty tools down here, as well as all my power tools and stuff in the bottom of these drawers. Before, all these tools that were basically in this one right here were spread out throughout the entire shop, which made it inconvenient. So we went ahead and put everything, oh, there's the welding stuff right there. So going around, yes, washer and dryer. This is a small house. I do have that. I wish they weren't in here, but at least they're white and matched. Now, why I did this, there's cabinets all along the top, cabinets all along the bottom. I have my air compressor lighted top and bottom. I don't know why that one's
because I unplugged it when I cleaned it.
Damn you. And then this right here is just a wooden top that was
Resined over.
Huh?
Resined over.
Yeah, it has just a clear resin over the entire thing.
We made that.
We work on it, so there's a lot of scratches in it, but it was something we were messing around with when we go do the rest of the house. We wanted to trial, as well as the backsplash right there. Air conditioner. Now this right here, I hadn't finished because there's an old air conditioner in here. I didn't know if they were gonna tear that out, so I will finish that up and redo that, make it look kind of nice. That looks a lot nicer than the one we used to have. Let's see, old rat rod stuff right there. Now this right here, we ended up making this right here with a TV in the back, mainly because when we were starting to go, or when she went through cancer, we had to stop everything. We used to go to the movies all the time. We used to go fishing. Obviously we couldn't go fishing. We couldn't go to the movies because we wanted to make sure she was healthy and safe.
And then COVID hit and I really couldn't go anywhere.
Yeah, and then COVID hit. And then once you got cleared, COVID hit, and then it was, hey, you can't go anywhere because you're still kind of, you know, on the edge, whether you were clear or not.
Well, that and multiple surgeries later.
Yeah. So I built this as a drive-in theater. Now, my rat rod fits this way in here. So as you can see in the thumbnail, I'll put the picture right here of the vehicle with the TV in front of it, which was actually a cool, really cool thing, because I bought, if I can find the pictures, I bought the little popcorn thing, the thing that sits on the side, the popcorn and the sodas and stuff. Hindsight, it was kind of foolish because my windows were only like 6 inches tall and nothing fit through the windows, popcorn or nothing. So that was just for looks then, because I didn't realize when I bought it that I couldn't fit anything through the smallest window.
These windows were actually still are as tall as the height of a soda can.
I measured my windshield
By a Coke can.
by a Coke can. That's how far I cut the window down, or
So
the
nothing
roof down.
fits.
Nothing fits, no. Nothing fits. So this right here is just storage. I have all my nuts and bolts down there. This right here does not belong here. It's just used for current purposes. We will build something a little bit better. This is an island for outside I was building. Has the containers and stuff like that in there. Now this toolbox is for when we need to go outside. We can just open up the drawer or open up the door. We have pretty much a full set of tools in here, just generic tools, a little bit of everything, pliers, cutters, stuff like that. So it's got a decent set, gloves, some other junk under there. I have no idea what's under there.
Oh, your
Now,
railroad stuff.
like I said, there is the little R2D2 air conditioner.
We love that little RTD2 air conditioner.
This absolutely is wonderful. We actually have it run out the door right there.
Coupled with that to keep the air that way.
Yeah, so it's really nice and cold. It keeps the garage probably about 63, 64, insulated as well. So we do not have a garage door opener, but I do have a plug over on that side for when we want to put a side drive garage door opener in here. That way I don't have everything through here. Now I do have my reel there, electrical reel, which makes it handy if we want to put anything outside.
I use that a lot.
We use it everywhere in here. So boxes. Now if you guys are wondering what's with all the boxes, up there and down here.
Well, okay. Okay, hang on. So this one doesn't count, okay? So this one doesn't count.
Yeah.
All of this is for Mustang Bronco. Not together. And then Mustang.
No, that's the
Mustang.
Bronco. That's for the Bronco. The big one right there is for the Bronco.
This one is? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
This is for the Bronco. I'm sorry.
So all this stuff is a combination of
Mustang and
one
Bronco.
of the Broncos or her Mustang.
Yeah.
Radiator, there's some other stuff in there. You'll see halo lights, different stuff. So all these boxes are projects that we have to get to.
Minus this one.
Minus
this one
that
doesn't count.
Yeah, that one doesn't count. That's just kind of here for now. But yeah, let's go ahead and put you back on the thing.
Oh, yeah. And then you have Diamond's spare tire in the corner.
I haven't put that on yet, but.
Oh, we need to tell them to say happy birthday to them.
Oh yeah. Okay, before we go any further, today is his second year anniversary. So he turns 2 today. Him and Draco. Draco's inside.
Yep. Draco's inside because we can't have them together. But they turn 2 years old today.
Don't you, old man? Like I said before, we wanted to make this nice and comfortable for us to work in. A lot of people make the comment, man, your garage is really clean, you must not do anything in it. You'll see us working in this all the time, as you can see in previous videos. With her car, we're gonna be doing the same thing. The floor is concrete, we're not doing anything special with the floor because I know it's gonna get dirty, I know it's gonna get messed up. Everything else we keep nice and clean. The only thing we don't do is grind or cut or anything like that. I have a little bit, but not anything major because I don't want the dust to get anywhere. These guys come out here and lay on the floor with us or lay on the floor like he's doing right now. we don't want them to get in anything or get hurt by any of the sharp objects or anything like that. So we do keep it fairly clean inside. No, you know, like I said, no cutting, so there's no sharp objects sitting on the floor that they can step on. I'll be under the car and he'll literally lay right next to me. So as far as all the other stuff, with her car, we're doing pretty much everything in here with her car, whether it be fluids, you know, changing oil, stuff like that. We're gonna do it in here. We're gonna do it in this garage, a very clean garage, and it's gonna stay that way. She'll make sure I do. We have drip pans and everything like that. So it's nice to come out here. It's about the same temperature as my house. So usually the door you saw as we walked past it, that's usually left open. We come in and out of this garage all the time. So for everybody that wants to see our garage and what we've done to it, it's a crap load of lights, I can tell you that.
Yeah, we can see everything.
It's a lot different than what it was before. So anyways, I hope you like that. This was, even though it benefits me, I did this mainly to work with her out here in comfort. So like I said, it's a lot of things I do, even though it benefits me, it wouldn't benefit me if she wasn't there. So you like it?
Yeah,
Okay.
we did good.
Okay. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We have a Mustang we got to pull in tomorrow and start putting it back together, you know.
Yeah,
Wish us luck.
stay tuned for that journey.
Okay, bye.
Bye.